Great day, beauties. Thank you so much for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we want you to remember always, beauty starts within. Do you guys miss me? I miss you too. So today we're going to go ahead and make some raw or live imitations of quinoa or couscous for those of you who want to stay on a live food regimen. So what you're going to need is cauliflower, red onion, garlic, and whatever other seasonings you want. I'm going to use pink Himalayan salt. I have some dried mandarin orange peels and dried orange peels, regular oranges. So if it's not organic, don't do it. I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper in mine with some dill weed. Okay? And let me know how you like this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is start off with my cauliflower inside of my food processor. I'm going to get me a couple little pieces of cauliflower. Almost an entire head, but not the entire head, okay? Maybe I left like a little smaller piece on there, okay? Those of you who are interested in measurements. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cauliflower inside my food processor. Sprinkle it around a little bit. And then I'm going to drop in my cloves of garlic. You can have 1 clove, but I like 2. So I'm going to drop that in. I'm not going to put in but a small piece of onion. So we're going to go ahead and get that. That's not even a 1/4. Okay. So we're going to drop our onion in. I do save the skins because I make tea out of the skins. So I'm not throwing it away. It's going to go inside my jar with my onion skins, okay? I'm going to put a little pink salt in. Cayenne pepper. Remember, you can use whatever seasonings you want. I like mine a little spicy. I'm going to put some dill weed in. Oh, that was too much. It shouldn't hurt me. And this is just some Italian seasoning, so I'm going to put some of that in there. All right. I think that'll do it. And what we're going to do is just blend it. Well, not blend it, but mix it all up in the food processor. So it's going to kind of look a little like a cottage cheese. Going to kind of have that consistency. All right, so it needs to go a little longer. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, I will eat some sprouted quinoa. I'll eat it cooked. I sure would. FYI. I'm going to take it one more time. Let me let you guys see how it looks. Gonna take it around one more time. Scraping the sides to make sure everything gets chopped really well. You can use sun-dried tomatoes. I've done that one time. It was really, really good. So once you've chopped up everything inside your food processor, you should have something that looks like this. You should have something that looks like this. And so now what I'm going to do is strain some of it. Okay? Now, you can eat it just the way it is. It's really, really good. But sometimes I don't want to feel like I'm eating just some wet veggie. So what I'm going to do, what I like to do, is strain some of the liquids off of my cauliflower. So I have a salad that I made right before we started recording the video. So I'm going to show that to you guys. Alright, so I strained a lot of the water out of my couscous or quinoa look-alike made from cauliflower. Here's my salad. So I have cucumbers on it already. I have grape or cherry tomatoes on it already. Field greens. I don't want to hear, oh, it's too expensive. You just have to know how to shop. That was $1.55. Okay. Sometimes I can find this huge 16-ounce container for $1.25. One day I'm going to stop purchasing it in the plastic. One day. I'm working on that, okay? Alright, so now we have our quinoa or couscous look-alike on my salad. Now it's time to make it even a bit more fancy. Is that not pretty or what? You guys like that sauce I brought to you today? Huh? You like that? It's really good. Now, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of, sprinkle some of the orange, dry orange peels on top, and then some of the mandarin orange peels on top. Maybe a few more seasonings. I like the way that looks. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where I want you to know always, beauty starts within.